All right, now we're going to put it all together, all of the properties of logs and all the equations that we solved. We're going to do both of them together. All right, so the idea is, remember, get the weird thing by itself. So here we have two weird things. So what we want to do is put them together or condense them. So first we want to condense them so that there's one log. So there's one log. So when I condense these, I put these together, I'm going to have one log. Since they're combined with subtraction, we're going to divide. So it's x squared minus 1 on the top, minus this one, so it's over 3x plus 3 equals 2. Okay, now we're going to switch to exponential. Exponential. And when we switch to exponential, remember, there's three parts. Three parts. There's the base, there's the exponent, and then there's the value. So this part, you know, they look awkward, but that's just the way it is. So this is the base, this is the exponent on the base, and it equals x squared minus 1 over 3x plus 3. All right, now we have to solve this equation. And it's just, any equation can show up. We just now have to solve it. So we can probably all agree that that's 9. So I'm going to cross multiply here and do 9 times 3x plus 3. Cross multiply, and then cross multiply this way equals x squared minus 1. This is a quadratic, so I have to kind of put everything together and make it equal to 0. 7. Okay, these are 0 here, so it's x squared minus 27x minus 28. Factor. Set each equal to 0 and solve, so we get 28 and negative 1. Then we have to check, and when we check, remember, check in the original. So the third step, I guess, could be, not I guess, is solve. And then the fourth step is check. So we're going to check it in the original. So we're going to put x equals 28 in, and put it in your, store it in your calculator. Write, this is the original. Write it down. Type it in, whatever. We put 28 in, we get 2 equals 2. When we plug negative 1 in to the same equation, we get an error. Okay, a domain error. So this is a reject. 28 is our answer. Okay, so that's it. There's really nothing new here. It's just putting all the pieces together. Yeah, okay, sorry, I thought I stopped recording. All the pieces together that we've done over the past few days. So for this one, oops. All right, we're going to combine. So where there's two logs, we got to make them one. So it's log base 7. Now they're combined with addition, so that means these two values, this one and this one, are going to be multiplied together. I didn't multiply them yet. I'm just writing that they're multiplied. Now I'm going to switch it around. So this is the base, this is the exponent, and it equals this. So let's rewrite it. So 7 is the base, 1 is the exponent, and it equals this multiply. So I'm going to multiply it out right now. You remember, multiply it like that. I did it already, so I'm just going to rewrite it. It's 16x squared plus 8x minus 15. We're not done yet. We can't factor yet because we have to subtract the 7. We have to get it equal to 0 first. Minus 8. Wait. Oh, sorry. This was supposed to be minus 8. Oh, farts. Yeah, whatever. This is supposed to be minus 8. And then when I subtract x, I get minus 15. I mean, subtract the 7, I get minus 15. Yeah, we're gonna let it ride. I gotta get this done. Extra ticket if you can tell me that you notice that. Okay, so I'm going to factor these. Again, if you have trouble factoring, you could always use the quadratic formula on this. That's not a problem. Solve each of these. So minus 5, 4x equals negative 5, divide by 4. One answer is negative 5 over 4. The other answer is 3 over 4. Okay, so we have two answers. Remember, we have to check in the original. Ooh, my pen looks cool. So when I check x equals negative 5 over 4, I do get an error. So this guy is rejected. And then when I check x equals 3 over 4 in this side, I get 1. So 1 equals 1. Check. All right, so try the Now You Try, see how it goes, and have a wonderful, wonderful day.